Hello and welcome to this video for the 5th of May on GCSE Foundation Maths. So without much delay, here's question 1. So we've got a sale with one third off all items. The original price of a football is £8.16. So we want a third off this. So we need to find a third of this first. So £8.16. To find a third, we divide by 3. So I'm going to do this here. So 3 into 8 goes twice, and that leaves a remainder of 2. 3 into 21 goes 7 times, and 3 into 6 goes twice. So we get £2.72. Now it says it's a sale price and it's that much money off. So that is not my final answer. I must now subtract £2.72. So 6 take away 2 is 4. 1 take 7 I will need to borrow from the left. 11 take away 7 is 4. And then 7 take away 2 is 5. So I would pay £5.44 for that football. Apples cost A pence for this question 2. Bananas cost B pence. Write down an expression for the total cost in pencil. I think it means in pence. In pence, of 6 apples and 2 bananas. So I'm going to have A's plus B's. But how many of each did I buy? I had 6 of the apples and I had 2 of the bananas. So it's 6A plus 2B. Next one, I need to draw the plan view of this weird looking shape. So the front has 4 squares, and then it goes 3, then 2, then 1. So let's draw that bit that we look at from the front first. That's the forelook. Then it goes in by 1, in by 1, in by 1, and in by 1. And we get something that looks like this here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Sorry, I started with 5, didn't I? I should have started with 4. I did with 5 across instead. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes in 1, up 1. Up 1, in 1, up 1, in 1, and we get something like that. Next question, reflect triangle ABC in the y-axis. So everything needs to be the same distance in this y-axis. So this is the y-axis that I'm reflecting in. So I had this point here and it was 1 square away. So the new one has to be 1 away. I have this point here which is 3 away. So this one has to be 1, 2, 3 away. And then the final one was 1, 2, 3 away, which is 1, 2, 3 away. So if I join those up now, I get a new triangle and I need to label it with a D. Rotate triangle ABC, so we're talking about the original triangle again, by 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So I need some tracing paper ideally. So I need about the origin, so I go 1 square up and that one there. So everything rotates 90 degrees. So I'm just trying to figure it out without my tracing paper, so I can do it. So this is probably not the way that I'd recommend that you guys do it, but still nonetheless it's worth knowing how to do it this way. So 90 degrees clockwise, so I went so that goes that way there, and then that's going to go 1, 2, 3. Is that 1, 2, 3? Yeah. So I went, give me a second. So that turns there, so that goes there. And the other line that was there goes 1, 2, 3. And then that was the point there. This point here is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 goes there. And the final one is this one. 1, 2, 1, 2. So which one's this last one, that point there? I went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 is going to be there. So the new triangle would be there. That's 90-degree rotation, and that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again tomorrow.